What's up guys? Today I'm going to show you how to mod your gamer score to work over Xbox Live or offline. So there are a few programs you're going to need and a few hardware things you might need. So first you're going to need some sort of transfer kit, some way to get the data onto your Xbox, like an exSATA export, memory transfer kit, stuff like that. There was ways there's ways to use like external hard drives and stuff, but I'm not sure how to do that, so that's not going to be in this tutorial. But that's what you need to transfer it. And then for programs, you're going to need the Floofy. I don't know if I said that right. LaFluffy, and you're also going to need Modio. So Modio, and then you're going to need your profile. So I'm going to show you how to get your profile first, and then I'm going to teach you how to mod the profile's GamerScore. And I actually left out one program. You're going to need exSATA, and that's just you're going to need Explorer 360. That's just the program that you can transfer data from your drive to your computer on. So we're going to open up Explorer 360. Turn on our Xbox. I'm gonna let it load for a second. And we're gonna go up to Drive, Open, Hard Drive or Mem Card. Just takes a minute. Okay. We're gonna go into Partition 3, and inside there, a folder called Content. Click the plus, and all the ones that start with E are profiles. Now, as you can see, I have a lot of profiles, so finding what profile can be really hard. But if you're just testing this out and you just made a gamer tag, the newest gamer tag appears at the bottom. So we're gonna take it. We're gonna click on the very bottom one, because that's the one we just made. There should be a folder FFFE07D1, then 0001000, and then inside of there is the profile, and that's for every single one. If they have multiple inside of it, it's still going to be FFFF000. Same thing. So let's take our profile and drag it into our desktop or our folder we made. Then we can minimize Explorer 360. Sorry, and now we're gonna open LaFluffy, whatever. Make sure if you're Vista or Windows 7, make sure you run everything as administrator just to avoid any errors. Okay, now here is LaFluffy. Now we're gonna open a file, and we're gonna go find our profile. So profile, and then just double click it, and then here's our profile, here's our ID, here's our gamer picture. We're gonna go to profile, and this should be the gamer tag on it, so just double check that that's the gamer tag or person you want to mod their score for. And then this is the games that you've already played right in here. So we want to add more games so that we can get more gamer score. So we're going to click add games to profile, and then this is something you're going to download. This file, it's I'm trying to remember where I have it. I think it's going to be called GPDs. You're going to need to download it. This is all the games. They're all GPD format, so you kind of can't tell what game is what, so just kind of grab like that many or so, and then these are the names of the games. So I got Call of Duty, World at War, Guitar Hero, World Tour, Polar Express, Ice Age, all this. So we're gonna click OK, and it's gonna load it into our list, and right here is our current gamer score, so just look at that. And then so let's go like here, click on the new game we added, go over to achievements, click unlocked offline and then change all, and then save to profile, save dash GPD to profile. And then now our gamer score went up, so we just have to keep doing that. Unlock offline, change all. Now it's 4,000. Now I'm gonna do this, and then I'm gonna pause the video while I do all this, and I'll come back in a minute. Okay, so here we are. I've put it to 110,000. Now, one thing I must say is that if you're doing this on a main profile, don't go overboard with the points, since there is a possibility you will be banned. I just barely made this account on a 48-hour trial, so I don't really care if it gets banned. That's why I'm going all the way up, but I wouldn't go over 30,000 first, and then wait like 24 hours, do another 30,000, because otherwise you're gonna run into problems with Xbox and getting banned and everything, and we don't want that. So then you could come in here, you can change your gamer zone, put cheater, save rep, security. Now we're gonna go over from profile to security, and we're gonna click fix, and then we're gonna go back to profile and click save account, and then we can exit out of the floofy, whatever. And now we need to open up Modio. I'll run it as administrator as always. And then we need to go to Designer, open a file, and then find our profile. Open it. Then here's our profile. Now all we need to do is click rehash and resign, and right here it'll say rehashed and resigned, and then wait for it to say Xbox 360 dashboard again, and then you can exit out. Now we're gonna need to put it back on our Xbox, our profile. So start up our Xbox again, come back, drive, open hard drive or mem card. And with Explorer 360, I don't know about the other programs, you can't drag and drop profiles in or anything. You have to manually go in, right click, insert file, find the profile, then double click it. It'll ask you if you want to override it, click yes. Let it inject. Notice that it just went up 5 megabytes from yeah, went up 5 megabytes from the last, because we added so many games in. So now that we've done that, we're done. So now, one thing is, you cannot go and connect right to Xbox Live. You have to play offline for like 5 or 10 minutes. I'm usually play for like 5 minutes, and then I plug it in to the internet, and then I sign in while I'm in a game, and that's what's worked for me, because I'm not sure if you can go right to Xbox Live, but every time I've tried to, I've run into problems where the gamer score just says 0 and it never changes. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope this helps. See ya.